welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things here, which is why it says, Bobbi Lays Beauty as the name. However, it's December, so it's Vlogmas time, and you know what? I'm going to just take you guys through my day really quickly. First off, I woke up and I lounged. Okay, I lounged for a cool minute, and then because this is like my only day off, I have to work a couple more days, and then yeah. Okay, so I wanted to like chill and like take my time getting up and stuff. So I didn't really even try to film anything till about 3. I went to take Saint to the vet, which I'm going to show you guys clips of Saint. Okay, so we are at Vetco, or not Petco. Well, we're going to take Saint to the vet so he can get his yearly shots. So he can go to the groomer, because I didn't realize, but his rabies is out of date. So, yeah. And he shouldn't get anything, even shots, after what he pulled yesterday. But he still needs healthcare. So everybody's gonna mask up, and we're gonna go and take Saint in here to the vet. Are you ready to go out? Aw, that's so cute. Y'all holding hands. Yup. It's another doggy. Sainty. He didn't even notice yet. It's a doggy standoff. Come on. Come on, guys. Go this way. I'm looking for the Vetco place.
That's us. We're hiding.
Oh, here's Saint.
Here's your Saint.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a little Saint.
Actually, if you'll come up to the front over here.
We're gonna wait on Saint. Oh, he's so handsome. He has handsome eyes.
I have a question. I make YouTube videos, so can I film him doing this? Are you guys cool with that, or do you want me to not?
I don't care. Let me ask.
But I was really bummed that the vet was like being choosy and not letting me like just film her giving Saint shots. But I guess whatever. So and then we came home and we just sat here and waited for Aria to get off of school. Okay guys, so we are back from the vet. We did get him this super cute sweater that Skylar picked out, so show him the sweater.
It has this on it. Probably gonna be able to read it, which I think was really funny because, like they told me, he chewed up some presents yesterday.
They saw it on the vlog from yesterday, actually.
Good, you have evidence. And that's a bad dog over there.
But we have never tried to put on clothes for Saint at all, so we're gonna try.
Cats don't like it. I don't know. We don't know if Saint
Our
likes
cats
it.
don't like it.
Actually, Shadow might, because we haven't put clothes on Shadow.
We haven't tried at all.
looks so cute.
He does look so cute. Oh my goodness. Can you come here for the camera? Can you come here for the camera? Oh. Sadie, you got your little sweater. Skylar, will you put his... Sadie.
Oh my god.
He hates it, you can tell.
I mean, he looks really
You
cute.
want your bone? Here, you can have... Oh, your bone. Oh, no. Oh, just cute. Baby. Yeah? Come here. Come look at our reindeer.
Why are you looking at me like that? I know what they did to you. I'm Dasher. I'm Dancer. I'm Prancer. I'm Vixen. I'm Comet. I'm Cupid.
He's like ashamed of himself right now.
There.
It looks a little
It's a
tight,
little snug.
but we got an extra large.
It's a little snug. But look,
I wish we got
can keep it
an
on.
extra large.
Yeah, he needed a one more size up, but he can just have it with the hood back. Sit down.
His stomach.
Oh my God, we have to do Christmas cards now.
Okay.
We'll be in our flannels. We can do it like have Whitney take some pictures of us back in this corner or something.
All right, baby.
You got a warm sweater? You're human. This is gonna be your first of many sweaters now that I know you'll wear them.
He said, Mom.
He's probably gonna wear.
So that was about 30 minutes or so, and for my sister to get there, and then we went to go look at this Christmas store called the North Pole Store. So after we left the Christmas store, we went to go pick up my brother Spencer because he lived on that side of town anyways. And me and Melissa decided to go to Olive Garden for dinner. So we all went to dinner at the Olive Garden. And I mean, the service was just, it was terrible. Okay, it was so bad. And then you see me here at this point making this video for you guys here on my desk. Look, we're at my desk. Okay, so basically that's my whole day. That's all I did today. But I am going to wash my hair, so just so you guys know, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. You're not missing anything special. But yeah, not that you guys asked for this Vlogmas. Nobody asked for this Vlogmas, okay? Nobody did. But I love making videos for you guys. So if you like my videos, or you like me, or you just want to be a kind soul and have the Christmas spirit in your heart, hit that like button. And if you feel like going this step further, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to put the post bell notification on so you can be notified every time I upload. I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, seeing how it's Vlogmas. And if it's not Vlogmas when you're watching this, I will see you eventually. All right, guys, have a good night. Bye.
Bitch don't wear no shoes in my house.